Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will start new chapter number 3 subtraction and this is our lecture number 1. Now in this lecture I shall discuss about introduction to subtraction, subtracting 5 and 6 digit numbers and exercise 3a. Now introduction to subtraction. Subtraction is an operation that is used to describe taking away one or more numbers from another number. Subtraction is an operation that is used to describe taking away one or more numbers from another number. Or subtraction is used to find the difference between two numbers. Or subtraction is just the opposite to addition. Subtraction is used to find the difference between two numbers, or subtraction is just the opposite to addition. Clear? Now, important points to remember. Number 1. The smaller number is always subtracted from larger number. Smaller number is always subtracted from larger number. Smaller number हम हमेशा subtract करते हैं larger number में से. Second point, in a subtraction, the greater number is called minuend and the smaller number is called subtrahend. See, parts of subtraction. See, 5 minus 1. See, here 5 is minuend and 1 is subtrahend. Means 5 is a greater number and 1 is a smaller number. Okay, and 5 minus 1 equal to 4 and 4 is our difference. Clear? In a subtraction, the greater number is called minuend and the smaller number is called subtrahend. Now, subtracting 5 and 6 digit numbers. Question 1. Find the difference between 86,459 and 44,256. We have to find the difference between 86,459 and 44,256. Answer. But first of all, we will write these two numbers in columns. So write down first number 86,459. Now write second number 44,256. Now subtract this. 9 minus 6, 3. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. Okay. 9 minus 6, 3. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. And 8 minus 4, 4. Answer is 42,203. Now, question number 2. Find the difference between 72,978 and 61,354. Answer. First of all, we will write these two numbers in columns. So write down first number 72,978. Now write second number 61,354. Now we have to subtract this. 8 minus 4, 4. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 3, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. Answer is 11,624. Now, question number 3. Find the difference between 86,014 and 67,258. Answer. But first of all, we will write these two numbers in columns. So write down first number 86,014. Now write second number 67,258. Now subtract this. See, 4 minus 8. It is not possible. Why? Because 4 is smaller number and 8 is bigger number. So we will take borrow. Okay, so this 1 will become 0 and this 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Now see, this 1 will become 0. Now see, we will 0 minus 5, it is also not possible. So we will take borrow from this number. See, here it is 0. We can't borrow from, we will borrow from this 6. This 6 will become 5 and this 0 will become 10 and this 0 will become 9. Okay, so now 10 minus 5, 5 and 9 minus 2, 7. Now see, 5 minus 7. It is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 8. This 8 will become 7 and this 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 7, 8 and this 7 minus 6, 1. Okay. So our answer is 18,756. Now question number 4. Find the difference between 4,68,435 and 2,17,354. We have to find the difference between 4,68,435 and 2,17,354. But first of all, we will write these two numbers in columns. So write down first number 4,68,435. Now write second number 2,17,354. Now subtract these. 5 minus 4, 1. Now see, this 3 is smaller number than this 5, so we will take borrow from this 4. This 4 will become 3, and this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 3 minus 3, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. I repeat once again. 5 minus 4, 1. Now see, this 3 is smaller number than this 5, so we will take borrow from this 4. This 4 will become 3, and this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 3 minus 3, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. Answer is 2,51,081. Answer is 2,51,081. Now, question number 5. What is the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and greatest 4-digit number? What we have to find? We have to find the difference between greatest 5-digit number and greatest 4-digit number. हमें greatest 5-digit number and greatest 4-digit number का difference find out करना है. Okay? Answer: greatest 5-digit number equal to 99,999 and greatest 4-digit number equal to 9,999. Now we have to subtract this, but first of all we will write these two numbers in columns. So write down 99,999. Now write second number 9,999. Now subtract this. 9 minus 9, 0. Write 0 here. 9 minus 9, 0. Write 0 here. Again 9 minus 9, 0. Write 0 here. Again 9 minus 9, 0. Write 0 here. Write 9 as it is. Clear? I repeat once again. Greatest 5-digit number equal to 99,999 and greatest 4-digit number equal to 9,999. Now subtract this. 9 minus 9, 0. Again 9 minus 9, 0. Again 9 minus 9, 0. Again 9 minus 9, 0. Write 9 as it is. Answer is 90,000. The difference between the greatest 5-digit number and greatest 4-digit number is 90,000. Clear? Now, question number 6. Find the difference, A part, if the minuend equal to 36,766 and the subtrahend equal to 21,680. As we know that in subtraction, greater number is called minuend and smaller number is called subtrahend. Answer: write down first number 36,766. Now write second number 21,680. Now subtract this. 6 minus 0, 6. Write 6 here. Now see, 6 minus 8 is not possible. Why? Because 6 is smaller number and 8 is greater number. So we will take borrow from this 7. This 7 will become 6 and this 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8, 8, and this 6 minus 6, 0. Write 0 here. 6 minus 1, 5. Write 5 here. 3 minus 2, 1. Write 1 here. I repeat once again. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 minus 8 is not possible. Why? Because 6 is smaller number. So we will take borrow from this 7. This 7 will become 6 and this 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. So answer is 15,086. Answer is 15,086. Now question number 7. What number should be added to 28,088 to get 4,61,000? हम for 28,088 में क्या number add करें? क्या answer 4,61,000 आए? What we will do subtraction. Write down answer. Write down 4,61,000. Now write second number, that is 28,088. Now subtract this. Now see, 0 minus 8, it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this. This we can't borrow from this 0. Next we can't borrow from this 0. Yes, we will borrow from this 1. Now see beta, this 1 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10. Okay, now see, this 10 will become, now see, this 10 will give 0 to this 1 0. Okay, so now this 10 will be 9 and this 0 will be 10. Okay, now see, this 10 will give borrow to this 0 now. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Okay, so now this will become 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. Now see, So now 0 minus 8, it is not possible. So it will take borrow from this 6. So this 6 will become 5 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Write 4 as it is. Okay. So 4,32,912 should be added to 28,088 to get 4,61,000. Clear? Now question number 8. Fill the missing subtrend. A part. Note this question very carefully. See, minuend is 6,66,923 and difference is 5,02,619. You have to find the missing subtrend. Okay? Answer C. Now see, this 3 is smaller than this 9, so we will take borrow from this 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 3 will become 13. Now see, in this 13 what we will subtract, that answer is 9. हम 13 में क्या subtract करें कि answer 9 आए. What we will subtract 4. So write 4 here. Now see next. In this 1 what we will subtract, that answer is 1. हम 1 में क्या subtract करें कि answer 1 आए. What we will subtract 0. So write 0 here. Now see next. In this 9 what we will subtract, that answer is 6. अब हम 9 में क्या subtract करें कि answer 6 आए. What we will subtract 3. So write 3 here. Now see, in this 6 what we will subtract, that answer is 2. We will subtract 4. So write 4 here. Now see next. In this 6 what we will subtract, that answer is 0. So write 6 here. 6 minus 6, 0. Clear? Now see next. In this 6 what we will subtract, that answer is 5. So write 1 here. Okay. So answer is 1,64,304. So missing subtrend is 1,64,304. Clear? Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 3A. Question number 1. Find the difference. A part, 91,648 minus 80,137. B part, 8,40,200 minus 7,35,183. Now, question number 2. Find the difference. A part, if the minuend equal to 25,677 and the subtrend equal to 12,790. B part, if the minuend equal to 9,45,672 and the subtrend equal to 7,21,561. Now, question number 3. Which number is less? A part, 1,234 less than 9,999. B part, 100 less than 3,273. Now, question 4. What number must be added to 2,531 to get 62,965? Now, question number 5. Subtract 5,912 from the sum of 8,998 and 6,479. I repeat once again. Question number 3. Which number is less? A part, 1,234 less than 9,999. B part, 100 less than 3,273. Now, question number 4. What number must be added to 2,531 to get 62,965? Now, question number 5. Subtract 5,912 from the sum of 8,998 and 6,479. Clear? Now, question 6. Fill the missing subtrend. A part, note this question very carefully. See, minuend equal to 3,71,700 and difference is 3,59,008. You have to find the missing subtrend. Clear? So these are the questions assigned as homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.